Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials.
The given question is on dividing x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. So guys, let us see how we can solve this type of question. Let us note down the things that the question has given us. So I'm going to note down the things that the question has given us for this question. Px is equal to 3, Px is equal to x to the power 3, x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2. Gx, question has not given us anything and we need to find out. This is what we need to find out. Then let's come to Qx. Qx is equal to x minus 2. Qx is equal to x minus 2. And then the final one is Rx. Rx is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So guys, these are the things that the question has given us, and the question has asked us to find out Gx. I have considered Px, Qx and Rx accordingly depending on the question, but these Px, Qx and Rx, they have not written like as it is what they have given. So we are going to utilize these things. What are those things that they have given, and we are going to find out Gx. The calculation of this is very simple and very straightforward. So let's see. And we call this one, I believe we all know by this time, we call this one as dividend. We call this one as dividend. This one is divisor, and Qx is quotient, and Rx is remainder. Guys, I'm writing these things so that it would be very easy and very clear to all of us without leaving any confusions. But I know that we all know this by this time. Now, now we are going to use the important formula for the division algorithm. We are going to use the formula for division algorithm and we are going to find out Gx. So guys, what is division algorithm? I believe by this time we all also should know division algorithm. So division algorithm is denoted by dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, plus remainder. I believe looking at this, most of you would have recalled what is dividend algorithm. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, or in other words I can write Px. Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So guys, don't get confused if you see somewhere Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. This is nothing but this is our division algorithm. This is the formula for our division algorithm. Now let us put the information in this formula and generate Gx. Hope guys you could understand, or you could see that how easy this is. Now I'm going to put whatever is being given in the question in this, and I'm going to generate our Gx. Now let me write it down. Px. The question has given us Px is x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2 is equal to Gx. Let us keep this one as it is because we do not know what is Gx, into Qx. Qx is x minus 2 plus remainder, or Rx, is minus 2x plus 4. Hope guys till here I am very clear. I'm going very slowly and step by step so that you people can understand. I'm not rushing. Now guys, let us solve this equation. You could see here what we have. We have x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2. On the left side, I'm talking about the left side of the equation. You could see here that we have x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2. And on the right hand side, we have Gx into x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4. Or I can write, in other words, I can write Gx into x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2. Hope till here we are very clear. Just I reversed it so that it would be easy for us to solve. I did nothing, anything extra or anything new in this line, just I reversed it. Or I can write gx into x minus 2 minus 2x plus 4 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2. Hope guys we are very clear. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write gx into, or I can write gx, or I can write gx into x minus 2 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4. Just moving this minus 2x plus 4 from left hand side to the right hand side. Hope guys I'm very clear here. Or I can write gx into x minus 2 is equal to x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2, 3x to the power 2, and here we have plus x and here we have plus 2x. So it will become plus 3x plus 3x, and here we have plus 2 and we have minus 4. So it will become minus 2. Now again for the solving this equation I can write, or I can write gx is equal to x to the power 3 minus gx is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2. Hope guys till here I am very clear. What I did, I just moved this x minus 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. So here x minus 2 is being multiplied or was being multiplied with gx. When I moved it, it got divided with the resulting equation. Now we are going to divide x minus 2. We are going to divide the polynomial. So this polynomial will look like this, px upon gx. So we are going to divide this polynomial will look like this, px upon x minus 2. X minus 2 is our qx. So we are going to divide the polynomial px with qx so that we can get gx. That is what we are going to do now. So in order to divide, let us follow the division method so that we can follow so that we can divide this equation easily. I can write x to the power 3 minus 3x to the power 2 plus 3x minus 2, and as I told you, I'm going to divide this equation with x minus 2. Hope guys till here I am very clear. So I'm going to divide this equation with x minus 2. Now you could see that here we have, here in this dividend, this is the dividend. So in this dividend we have the highest degree as x to the power 3, and this qx, or this is now our divisor, I can say for the timing. So here we have x. What should I multiply to this x so that I can get x to the power 3? The answer is very simple and very straightforward. If I multiply x to the power 2 to this x to this x, then I will get x to the power 3. So that is what I am going to do now. I have multiplied x to the power 2 with this x, and then I will multiply x to the power 2 with this minus 2. So after multiplying, I got x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2. So this is what I got. Now let us reverse the symbols. This here it will become negative and here it will become positive. So plus x to the power 3 minus x to the power 3, it cancels out. Minus 3x to the power 2 plus 2x to the power 2 will get minus x to the power 2 plus 3x minus 2. This is what we got. Now guys, let us focus here on this x to the power 2, and here we have x in the divisor part. Now what should I multiply to this x so that I can get minus x to the power 2? Now again the answer is very simple and very straightforward. If I multiply minus x to this x, I will get minus x to the power 2. Again, if I multiply minus x to this 2, I will get minus 2x. I will get minus 2x. So I did the same thing. Now I am going to reverse the symbols. So here minus x to the power 2 and plus x to the power 2, it cancels out, and here plus 3x and plus 2x, it became 5x minus 2. So what we got here? We got 5x minus 2. Now guys, no, here it is minus x and here it is minus 2. If I multiply this minus x with minus 2, I will get here plus 2x. So there was a small mistake here, so we get. Now here, if you look here we have, now again we need to reverse the symbols. So if we reverse the symbol, it will become negative. So 3x minus 3x minus 2x, we will get only x. What we'll get? We'll get only x. We will get only x. Now I can write this equation as x minus 2. This is what we got. So guys, here you could see that we have x minus 2 in the divisor, and here we have x minus 2. Now the answer is very simple and very straightforward. If I multiply just 1 plus 1 with this, we are going to get x minus 2. And as usual, if we just reverse the symbols, we can cross it out. So plus x minus x, it cancels out, minus 2 plus 2, it cancels out, and we are left with 0. So here now we got the remainder is 0. Here we got the remainder is 0. Now what is the result of this division that we got? The result of this division is not this one. The result of this division is this one. Look at the question here. The result of this division is this quotient. Now what we did here, if you look above, what we did here, we divided px with qx, and the result that we got is x to the power 2 minus x plus 1. Now this result is nothing but this result is for gx. So we can easily write, hence, so that we can easily write that what we can write, hence we can easily write that gx is equal to x to the power 2 minus x plus 1. So this is our answer, guys. So what we got gx is equal to x to the power 2 minus x plus 1. This is our answer. Hope guys we are very clear and you understood what I did here in order to get this answer. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.